Alright, so before this video, I want to show y'all that I do have a PS5. The controller is right here. I got it, so y'all won't be saying how you trying to show somebody how to get a PS5. You don't got one. I do have one. It's real. I'm on it right now. Y'all can see me moving and all that. See, this is all me. So yeah, stay tuned. This is my first eyeball back on another video, and today I'll be showing y'all how to get a PS5 after the drop. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to learn how to get a PS5. Get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment what videos I want to do next. So stay tuned to the end of the video telling how to get a PS5 after the drop. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get it on the computer, on the phone. I actually got it on my computer, but I'm gonna still show y'all how to get it on the phone. So first, we gonna do it on the computer, then I'm gonna switch over to my phone to show y'all the steps I did to get it. Okay, so before we do this, I wanna let y'all know my computer is loud, so if y'all hear some stuff, that is my computer making that noise. So the first thing, y'all wanna make y'all way on Twitter. Y'all could go to Twitter on y'all phone or y'all computer, and y'all wanna search up his name right here, Oreo64. Should be verified, but yeah, he dropped, like, he tell you like when they about to drop and all that. So yeah, y'all wanna go ahead and turn his notifications on your phone or on your computer to get notifications for him right here. He tell y'all when they about to drop and stuff. This is actually how I got my PS5 from him. But yeah, y'all wanna go do that. And it's another person right here, PS5 drop. They actually tell you when they about to drop. I don't know what that is, but yeah, sometimes. But I didn't use them to get my PS5. I use Oreo64. So yeah, go follow him on Twitter and turn on his notifications. So yeah, for the second thing I did, y'all see this up here? Y'all wanna, like, I don't know what this called, I think it's bookmark. Y'all wanna bookmark these, like, at the top of your stuff. So when people say they're about to drop, only thing you gotta do is just click on it, and it send you right to the, you see? Right now they out of stock on direct, so yeah. But they send you right to the thing if you bookmark them like that. So let me show y'all again. So I got Amazon, Best Buy. I actually got my PS5 with Best Buy, Target, Walmart, PlayStation, and these some other things I got. But yeah, y'all wanna have them like that. Let me show y'all how y'all can do that. Y'all wanna, if you on the website, go over here and press the star. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it on the phone too, so just stay into the phone version. I'll switch to my phone. But yeah, that's the steps that I did to get my PS5. So let's switch over to the phone. Okay, so I'm recording now on my phone. So the first thing y'all wanna do, I got this website called Pop Finder. So if you're trying to go get your PS5 in the stores, you can find it. So let's go to GameStop inventory checker. Consoles, it's loading slow. So once you get here, you pick if you want the disc or the digital PS5. I'm gonna pick PS5. You put your zip code in and then it'll show you. So let me put mine in. Press get stock and it'll show you all the ones if they got stock. Right now I don't have no stock, but one got stock. But yeah, this show you if they got stock in your location. So let's get into the next thing I do. Let's go to Walmart. On the Walmart app right now. PS5. I don't think they have PS5s on here no more. But to bookmark it, y'all want to press this right here in the middle. Go to add to bookmark and just do like that. Now when you close these out, when you first load in, Walmart is right there. So when somebody say they stock or something, you could just go on your website, click on it, and you can be one of the first person there to order your stuff. But yeah, that's really it what I do on my phone. I'm gonna delete this because I already got my PS5, so I don't need that. I don't know why I still got Pathfinder. But yeah, that's what I do on my phone. And I'm going to show y'all one more step I do to get the PS5. So let's switch back to my regular camera. Other things y'all can do, y'all can search up Ps5 Restock. Y'all can search that up. And scroll down, and there's people live right now that's restarting their page, refreshing for y'all, and that's live right now to tell y'all when they gon' like go in stock. So y'all can hide this like on there. Y'all see he on here just refreshing. Everybody in the comments trying to see when they gonna drop. So yeah, y'all can watch people lives so they can do the work for you if y'all don't want to do the steps that I showed. So yeah, there's more people live. Y'all could just click on people be live all day. So yeah, it should be alive when y'all trying to do this. This is actually how I got mine too. This is another step I did to get mine. So yeah, that's another step right there.
Hustle all day, I count the money at night. Expecting them to change, so I wasn't surprised.